Hi there. Here we are. We're going to talk a quick second here about linen. So what I wanted to really bring to your attention is that when you're looking to dress up your tables and make sure that everything looks the way you'd like it to, we want to make sure that the length of the linen is appropriate for your event. Uh, Again, cost plays a factor. I understand that. Also, the look plays a factor. You know, non-formal events, if you're having an outdoor barbecue in your backyard, it's fairly casual. Don't spend the money on full-length linen if it's not needed. However, if this is your wedding day, or if this is a corporate event, or if this is a formal event, full-length linen is really a necessity. I say this for a few reasons. One, overall look of the hall, overall look of the space. If you are, renting a huge party tent and you're paying for all the liner and the lighting and all the little accessories that make it all so much more formal looking, the linen to the ground or the floor is really, it completes the look, and that's what you're going for if you're going to spend that kind of money. Also, it's not so much if you're looking at it going, well, I don't mind the way it looks in photos over here, over there. However, in photos, as the evening progresses, chairs get moved, this gets moved, that gets moved. People are thinning out. The photos, you'll see all the legs of the tables, and that's not something that you may want in your photos that you're trying to keep, for the duration of time. So these are things to consider. Colored linens are a great way to bring color into your event. The other way is standard white linen or ivory or black are also great. And if you want to add just color with a little bit of a splash or color, use the colored napkins or a runner or an overlay. Choosing a fabric that has a slight pattern. All those things bring a different depth to the look of the room. There's choices of fabrics is endless for sure. Most common for napkins though is the standard poly. I know the satin napkins, they look prettier, but nobody likes to use them. Nobody. They don't wipe. They don't provide any really good use. So most people tend to stay away from those once they've used them once. They kind of avoid them. The runners, most of them standard sizing is going to be 12 inches or so wide, give or take an inch, and 108 inches long. The reason for that is that it fits then on a 6 or an 8-foot table, rectangle table, and you can also use it on a 5 or 6-foot round table if need be. More color for the round table though, you're going to need an overlay or two runners to make make a plus sign or an X or a cross or however you want to phrase that. And then if you have different runners, you can choose a complementary napkin color if you'd like. It just depends on your event. Playing with the colors and the look of the table, that's when you want to go to the rental company. That's when you want to go there and say, listen, I want to come in. Typically to use their showroom. If you know they're going to book with you, they're going to help you. They'll set up a demo table. You're going to put the linen on. You're going to try out the colors that you'd like to that, or at least that you're envisioning and that you'd like to see in person so that you can make an educated decision. So these are the things that a rental showroom will really benefit you as far as having to choose and make a decision on which way it's going to go. I mean, going by images on the internet is one thing, but actually seeing it in person is another. Use the showrooms, go try it out, try the different lengths, the different fabrics, and so forth. And let the rental company help you out and show you what else is possible. Maybe there's something that you didn't think of. You just don't know. The same goes for chairs and the sashes or the chair covers. It's the same thing there. You want to, again, try them on. If you don't know what chair you've got, either borrow a chair or take the chair cover and take it to the venue and try it on there to make sure it fits. I'm telling you, the day of, it's almost impossible to fix if the chair cover doesn't fit the chair that you've rented it for. So it's very important that you do these steps in advance to get the day to run smoothly. Hopefully this will help you out, and we'll see you on the next video.